Hello guys. Welcome back to our to-do list application series. So far we were able to add tasks. Also the total task count was updating. But so far we were not able to remove tasks. So in this video, we will add definition for remove tasks and mark completed functions. First off, let's check what we are getting in event object. Let's log it on console window. Inside the pointer event object, go to the target section. As you can see, the target for this event is remove button. So let's target to its parent node, which is task div, as we want to remove a task div every time we click on the remove button. In this line, task to remove now references to the task div. Using the remove method, removing the task to remove element from the DOM. Decrements the value total task counter by 1 and assigning its value to total tasks. Now you can see total task count is changing every time we are removing a task. Similarly, add definition for mark completed function. As we can see, the target element is h2, so we will toggle active class on it, as we have already defined styling for the same. Now let's make completed task count change. If h2 contains active class, we will increment then the completed task count by 1 and assign it to completed tasks. Else we will decrement then the completed task count by 1 and assign it to completed tasks. Now completed task count is changing on clicking on h2, but it must change on click of remove button as well, so let's make it happen. Finally, it is working fine and we are done with our to-do list app.